How to make a playlist on Spotify with your favorite songs in it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can create a specific playlist or a custom playlist for your Spotify account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. First things first, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Spotify application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now keep in mind that you don't really need a premium account in order to create a playlist. It is also available for free users, so there's really nothing to worry about. All you have to do is tap on the Your Library button, which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you come to the Your Library page, you have to tap on the plus icon, which you see on the very top right hand side. Once you tap on the plus icon, at the bottom you'll see these two options that says playlist or blend. So since we're learning how to create our own playlist, we will tap on the option called playlist. And of course, the first step is to simply give our playlist a name. So I'll just go ahead and then enter a name for my playlist as well. Once I enter a name for my playlist, what I will do is just tap on the create button over here. As you tap on the create button, you have some of the recommended songs which you might want to add to your playlist. So just over here at the bottom, you can see a list of all these songs as well. You can just go ahead and then add them to your own playlist. If you want to download the songs in this playlist, you could tap on the download button. However, let's say that while browsing through Spotify, you'll find some of the songs and you want to add those songs to your playlist. Well, that is also very simple. Just open up the specific song, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, select the option called add to playlist, and here you can simply select the playlist on which you really want to add. In my case, I have two playlists, so I'll just select the one on which I want to add this particular song. Let me also give you another tip, and that is that if you're sick of this particular default playlist picture, you can also add your own custom picture by tapping on the three dots over here and going to edit playlist and tapping on change image and so on. But basically this is it, and this is how you create a custom playlist on Spotify and add your favorite songs. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. We try to be responsive to each comment as possible. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.